Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on the clarinet. First, let's ensure your instrument is ready. Make sure your clarinet is assembled correctly and your reed is moistened. Hold the clarinet at about a 45-degree angle, keeping your back straight and shoulders relaxed. We will focus on the iconic main theme, which is a great starting point for beginners. Now, let's dive into the melody. The Super Mario theme primarily uses a few key notes. For the B-flat clarinet, you'll need to know E, C, and G in the lower register. Practice the fingerings for these notes until they feel natural. Remember to use light, even pressure on the keys. Aim for a clear, consistent sound on each note before trying to connect them. Once you have the notes down, focus on the rhythm and articulation. The Super Mario theme has a bouncy, energetic feel, often using a mix of eighth notes and quarter notes. Use a light tongue to articulate each note, giving it a crisp, distinct sound. Practicing with a metronome set to around 150 beats per minute will help you keep a steady tempo. To truly master the Super Mario theme, consistent practice is key. Break the melody into smaller sections, perhaps 2 or 4 measures at a time, and perfect each one before combining them. Listening to the original theme will help you internalize the musicality. Many free and easy sheet music arrangements are available online to guide your practice sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.